In the last video, I talked about source evaluation. Remember how deep, how reliable, how accurate, and how current your sources are. Today, I want to talk about the connection between your sources and your research project. It's very important to understand that this process is cyclical. It goes around. So you have a research question, and you find sources to try to answer that question, but then your sources may change your research question. You might find new sources from your current sources, which again change your research question. And your new sources might find you further sources that again change your research question. So it is not a linear process. It is cyclical. It goes around, and it's a good thing if your research question changes as you do research. So, in your final project, you need to produce something that is real. And when I mean real, I mean real people, like not me, not your teacher, but real people could actually use and be interested in. Now, I don't mean everyone in the world or everyone in Turkey or even everyone at MEF University. I just mean that there is some group of real people who would find your final project interesting and who could use it. So I want to talk to you about how you might have sources that will help you get to your final project and how your final project might come out of your sources. So again, in the last video, I talked about different kinds of sources. And one source that you could use is something called a primary source. This is like the original source, from the original person. So let me give you an example of this.